left me talking to the dark. If I called you tonight, would it feel the same? Or have we both moved on to different names? Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars, when the world felt small and your hands felt warm. Take me back to the start, if only for a moment. I've been up since 3, scrolling back where we used to be. Half truths in his late-night chat.
When Elon Musk talks about building something, it's rarely small, and this time, he's aiming straight at the foundation of the entire digital world, semiconductors. The concept behind Terafab isn't just another chip factory. It's being positioned as the largest and most advanced chip manufacturing ecosystem ever built, a place where logic chips, memory, and advanced packaging are all produced under one roof. And that detail alone is what makes this project so disruptive. Today, the global semiconductor industry is fragmented. You have design in one place, fabrication in another, and packaging somewhere else entirely. Companies rely heavily on giants like TSMC or Samsung Electronics, and any disruption, geopolitical or logistical, can shake the entire supply chain. What Musk is proposing with Terafab is vertical integration at an unprecedented scale. And if that sounds familiar, it should. Because this is the same strategy Tesla used to dominate electric vehicles, controlling everything from battery production to software. Now imagine that philosophy applied to chips, the core of AI, autonomous driving, robotics, and even space technology. The involvement of Tesla, SpaceX, and xAI makes the vision even more ambitious. This isn't just about making chips cheaper or faster. It's about building the infrastructure for the future, a future where AI models grow exponentially, where robots become part of everyday life, and where computing demand goes far beyond Earth itself. Terafab is meant to close the gap between where chip production is today and where it needs to be tomorrow. Because right now, we're already seeing the limits. AI systems are consuming massive amounts of compute power. Data centers are expanding at a pace the current semiconductor supply chain is struggling to keep up with. And if projects like autonomous driving or humanoid robots are to scale globally, the demand for chips will explode. That's the problem Musk is trying to solve, not incrementally, but radically. By combining fabrication, memory production, and advanced packaging into a single mega facility, Terafab could dramatically reduce latency, cost, and complexity. It could also unlock new performance levels that aren't possible when these processes are separated across continents. But let's be clear, this is not an easy mission. Building a facility like this requires cutting-edge technology, enormous capital, and deep expertise in an industry that's already one of the most complex on Earth. Companies like TSMC didn't get where they are overnight. It took decades of precision engineering and relentless iteration. So the real question isn't just can it be built. It's whether Musk can execute at the level required to compete with or even surpass the current leaders. Because if Terafab succeeds, it won't just change Tesla or SpaceX. It could reshape the entire semiconductor industry. It could shift the balance of technological power. And more importantly, it could become the backbone of a future where AI, robotics, and space exploration are no longer limited by compute. In true Elon Musk fashion, this isn't just a factory. It's a bet on the future, and a very big one.
When the world felt small and your hands felt warm, take me back to the start, if only for a moment. I've been up since 3, scrolling back where we used to be. Half truths in this late-night chat, both of us knowing what a line that. Funny how we talk like we're fine, but your name still lives in my rhyme.